Hi everyone, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Feb and today I have another unboxing hot on the heels of the last one. This is also from Wizarding Trunk and here we go. Peacekeepers. It arrived safe and sound this morning. Well, I hope it's safe and sound. Doesn't sound like there's anything rummaging around in there, so let's get it open and have a look at what we've got. It's exciting. I always feel excited when I get these boxes. You know, it's something to look forward to because I haven't got the faintest idea what the theme is or anything. I do get emails from them telling me, giving me hints and stuff, but I tend not to read them because I don't want to spoil it for myself. So here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just open it up, and the cheat sheet's right on the top, so I'm going to put that to one side and then just pull out each item one at a time and we'll check them out individually. We've gone back to the EverQuest 2 mat so that we can, or I can, give a shout out to my favourite game of all time. Okay, the first thing sitting on the top is another bookmark. Okay, this is a Dark Forces one. Let's get it open. I do still read books, you know, proper books, rather than just downloading them online, but I do a lot of that as well. Reading a really good series at the moment, the Wandering Inn. I think I may have mentioned it before. How cool is that? That is a very nice looking object. Okay. And then next... Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get this undone. Okay, so this is super cool. Look how nice these are. It goes from an eighth of a teaspoon, tiny little one, all the way up to a tablespoon. I love these so much. Oh my goodness, they're like little individual cauldrons with, you know, smoke and stuff coming out. Oh my goodness, I love this. I have more of these measuring sets than any woman needs in her kitchen, but this is now my for sure favorite. That is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Okay, next in bubble wrap we've got what looks like a potion. It's actually a spray bottle, and it says banish the smell that shall not be named. Oh, it's for your bathroom. Oh, cool. Let's have a whiff, see what it smells like. Oh, nice. Oh, it's kind of lemony, and I'm not sure. Just says fragrance. Okay, well, we will check that out. But fun. Fun, right? And let's face it, it's going to be better than, you know, bathroom smells generally, right? Okay. Ooh, okay, this is one full bottle. Oh, check it out. Head girl, head boy. Let's get it open. Okay, I love this on so many levels. Obviously, we have one each here. I am a Ravenclaw, and it's in bronze and not silver, which I appreciate. They got it right, you know? Terrific. Love that. Oh, that is such a cool item. All right, next we have something I don't even know. Let's get it open and see. I remember having a cushion cover in this fabric, and now we have a pillowcase. So for all of you people who like to have a satin pillow to sleep on so that your hair doesn't get, you know, messed up, that is pretty, really pretty. Obviously there's only one, but hey, that's okay. And then we have a mystery brown box. See? Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, oh, I love that. The invisible book. This is so much fun. I actually have a few of these dotted around this room where they're vases, you know, or whatever. You might want to put whatever you want in there. But look how cool that is. The invisible book. And on the side it says a complete guide to invisibility. Okay, favourite item and a unique one. I think that is really terrific. Okay, next we have another mystery brown box. Let's get this open and see. Okay, so this really is a potion this time. Sharpened wit for my Ravenclaw. Shelf with the eagle. Again, bronze wax. Love that. Yeah, sharpened wit potion. That is beautiful. And look how shiny. Wow. Okay, that's gorgeous. Oh, I have so many potions. And quite a few Ravenclaw ones now. Okay, there's one more box, but there is a whole pile of fabulous art here. Look at this. That is so nice. Oh, I need to find a frame for that. That is beautiful. We've got, oh, magical mess remover. So we've got, I love these, don't you? I've had quite a few of them now, and they seem to come with every box, and you can put them all into a folder and flick through your magical recipes. That is so much fun. Oh, lovely. Of all the potions that I make, and I have made a few on this channel, this is a very nice sheet of labels, and good they are too. Love that. And then we have more artwork. We'll see who did everything when we look at the cheat sheet, but look how nice is that. Look at the lion. Oh my goodness. And the badger looks so blinking cute. Oh my word. Okay, and we do have a proper eagle on there too. Next, oh, the Enchanter 5-year anniversary edition. Spell smells. Excellent. Okay, this is very cool. Fire a ghost, helping the lonely haunted. All right, let's have a look at my horoscope. You're making good progress with that long-term project you've been working on. Remember that progress is better than perfection. Small details matter, but don't lose joy. Couldn't agree more. Okay. And then the Elf's Guide to Keeping House. A weekly guide to household cleansing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is so cool. With your daily tasks at the bottom. That is fun. Well, okay, so it's like a tear-off pad. Each day is the same. Nifty. And they're printed on the back as well. So they will last you for some time. That's great for those of you that have children that need to be encouraged to do their chores. Brilliant. I love that item. Obviously I don't, but hey, I can appreciate it for what it is. Okay, let's look at the very last thing in the box. Which, again, mystery brown box. Exciting times. I still haven't got over that Mrs. Dursley ornament. That was just absolutely blinking hilarious. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, get out of town. Okay. So, I have statue, and I love this. This is so pretty. Is it an eagle or is it a raven? I don't know. The beak looks kind of raven-esque. Either way, I have a lot of crows and other such birds in this chamber that I'm in right now, and I think this will go perfectly with them. So yeah, it doesn't open up or anything. It's not a money box or whatever. It's simply a rather fantastic and beautifully detailed and gorgeous colour little statuette. Smashing. Okay, let's recap. Okay, for me, personal excitement for this box is high. The statue, blinking love. This I will put in the bathroom. Love these. And the pins, the artwork, the gorgeous invisible vase here. That is just terrific. So let's see. The kitchen spoons, the measuring spoons, were designed by JP Misselcrow. Food safe zinc, alloy, hand wash only. Okay. And the bathroom, it's a unique blend of peaches and orange blossoms. Is it? Okay. Either way, it smells nice. The animal statue, presumably you'll get one for whatever your house is, so that's nice. Invisibility pillowcase set for the bedroom. Okay, it goes perfectly with the blanket, throw and pillow cover designed by Wizardry Workshop, the head boy and head girl pins, the watercolour print by Giza Graphics, the house potion by Pure Blood Apothecary, and the Potion Master's Guidebook, the page, designed by Wizardry Workshop, and this also, the vase by Wizardry Workshop. As were the spice labels. Gosh, they have such a great bond, don't they? Okay, so basically that covers it, I think. I don't know what my favourite item is. There's a lot. I love the magazine every month, or every quarter, is it? Love those. The labels are terrific, and yeah, the head boy and head girl, so cute. Okay, I'm going to call it here. Say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.